I just had this thing waxed. Look at that stain right there. Mustang GT. We don't want no smoke right now, man. So we gonna let this hold back, and we finna go kill some tunnels. I'm gonna go kill this tunnel right here, and I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna loop around. And I'm gonna kill that same tunnel again, and then I'm gonna go kill this main tunnel, and then I'm gonna go pick up my son, man. I gotta go get my boy. Been trying to get him for a minute. But hey, man, I appreciate y'all rocking for the kid, man. Hey, if it's y'all first time, on my channel, man. Hey, man, thank you for watching, man. Like, comment, subscribe, man. Share this video. Follow me on Instagram, man, at MD_promotions. Follow my card, man, Scatpack_392. Scatpack_392, man. So we gonna let this. Ooh, got that hole in that thing, man. Scatpack.